Yes, another exciting episode of Grilling with Dr. Oluwadola. Yes, grilling is a way of life. If you don't grill, you need to grill. It is delicious. Tonight, it's the same old story. We're going to grill the same thing. You'll see. I'll show it to you. We're going to clean the grill a little bit. See the muscles and everything on the back. Grill. I'll show you the meat next. Delicious prime steak. The chicken whisperer is back. More chicken. Can't get enough chicken. So your eyes are not deceiving you. This steak is well marinated, over 8 hours. Yes, we'll put them on the grill. Everything is put on the grill. Everything looking good. This is gonna be the first flip. Steak is done. Looks delicious. Chicken still coming up. Steak whisper. The chicken is also done. Looks good. Delicious. Yes, this puts a conclusion to the grilling effort. Subscribe to the channel, everything. This is the world's slowest growing YouTube channel. Hit the button. Tell a friend to support the dollar. Oluwadola. Please, 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 pretty please.